Love is not enough. Do you really want this relationship to work? This is what it takes to make a healthy, lasting relationship, to really solidify the bond between you two, and to keep it drama-free. I'm Dr. Elena Sherwood, your relationship expert. First thing to do is to face the problems. Believe it or not, this is a make it or break it thing for relationships, because when you're running from a problem, then you're expecting your partner to deal alone. Even worse, because now they got to chase you, the way a parent has to. Not your parent. Don't put that on them. The more you run, the worse the situation gets. Your partner needs to know that you are reliable, dependable, that you don't bail. Now, let's say you really need to just get your head together. That's okay, but don't ask for a relationship break. Ask for a mental health pause for yourself. That makes sure that nobody else gets into the picture. Remember that whole Ross and Rachel thing? But we were on a break. This is how to avoid all confusion. Number 2, you need a healthy dose of empathy. Fancy word for putting yourself in your partner's shoes. This is going to make you listen better, because you're going to want your partner to do the same. This will make you speak up, because you would want your partner to tell the truth. And that'll stop you from doing things like shutting down, silent treatment, becoming this big wall, because you would hate that if your partner did it. This is how the trust and respect build. I gotta get real with you. When it comes to relationships, there are no easy answers. These are some steps you can do repeatedly over time to avoid breakup and to set you up for relationship success. Number 3 step to building a trusting relationship: the ability to park your own needs temporarily. Temporarily. Hear me out for a second. Here's an example. I'm home from work and you're hungry and you're tired, and there's your partner who is distraught. Bad things just happen. They've had a really, really tough day. It's quite possible that their need for comfort from you far outweighs your need for food and rest. Now let's turn this around. You're the one who's distraught, and here comes your partner who is exhausted and starving. What if you two could park your own needs just for a moment to let them get some nourishment and put their feet up? Imagine a relationship where both of you are trying hard to make sure that the most urgent need is being met. So maybe the real problem is you have a hard time dealing with difficult conversations in general. Well, this video should give you a hand. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.